Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna be showing you guys today what I am packing for New York Fashion Week. Yes, I am going. I actually booked a couple of things this weekend, which is gonna be really crazy. I just literally looked at my schedule and I'm like, I might die. But anyways, I just wanted to show you guys some outfits I put together, shoes, new stuff that I'm loving. It's all gonna be packed up in my suitcase. I'm gonna have everything linked down below for you guys so you guys can find everything, buy everything, and match me. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you guys can catch up with me while I'm in New York and show me some love. Like my stuff. You guys, I love you, and let's get into this video. I love you guys. Sup y'all? I look so crazy, but I'm gonna be packing for New York because I leave literally tonight at like 4 a.m. so tomorrow, and I have all of this stuff here in an empty suitcase. So I'm gonna put some outfits together and start packing, and I feel like if I'm gonna do this, I might as well just film it and show you guys what I'm going to be bringing with me. So yeah, I figured this would be fun. This is a suitcase, all this stuff. So I look so crazy. So I'm pulling up my inspo Pinterest page and I'm just looking at like ideas that I can take with me. It's gonna be like 75, 79 degrees Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday, Monday, it's gonna be in the mid 80s, which is a little bit hotter. So I wanna make sure that I'm like dressing appropriately, and also I'm not gonna be sweating my whole ass off. I have a bunch of inspo like outfits saved. So what I like to do is I like try to recreate the outfits in my closet. This always helps me when I'm packing or trying to figure out like outfits to wear. So I just got a brilliant outfit idea. So yeah, this is my inspo page. I'm gonna be using this. So let's start packing. Okay, I'm gonna use this light because it's just easier to see all the outfits and everything when I'm laying them out. Also, these yellow stains on my bed are from my spray tan, so please don't judge me. Oh, so let's start with the robe. My robe is Versace. I think it's like way uglier than I thought. I thought it was gonna be a little bit cuter, but anyways. Also, I'm doing this with no makeup on because one, I don't give a, just kidding. My AC just turned on. Got a little breakout, but we're good. It's so much easier to try on outfits without any makeup on. It just makes my life easier. So let's start. I have a couple things laid out and planned, like how I want to wear them, but I also want to make sure I don't overpack. Like actually like maybe 2 outfits. Friday midday, Friday going out outfit. Saturday midday, Saturday going out outfit. Sunday midday, Sunday going out outfit. Monday midday, maybe morning, midday, and going out outfit. So I need 9 total outfits plus like pajamas and tons of underwear and stuff like that. And shoes. So 9 outfits. And 4 of those outfits are nighttime looks. So this should be fun. Okay, so I'm pretty proud of this one. This is very New York of me. This top is from Aritzia. I got it in a size 0, and I kind of like leaving it open. I know this is like not like the classiest thing to do, but I kind of leaving it open or doing like a second button. Do I have body chain? It's from Lily Class. And then the leather pants are from Meow. Is this a cute outfit? Let me show you guys back here. Can you see me? Oh, you can kind of see me here. What do we think? This could be a night out look. I could wear it with these black tie-up shoes. They tie up around my ankles, my legs. I have to maybe wear a push-up bra so my boobies are like. And then this platform boot. These are from YSL. I've literally worn the absolute heck out of these. And then it would give me like platform. This is kind of cute. I don't know, what do we think? Okay, so this is I'm gonna put this in a potential outfit. Sorry if my lighting changed. It's like more blue now. But this outfit is so cute. This is more honestly daytimey. Again, I like to leave it open instead of like fully closed. So I just feel like it's kind of like a cute vibe. I can wear my belly chains. And then the butt looks really good. Like this looks really cute. And I can even tie, you know what? I could tie this like this. Would this be cute? This is kind of a cute moment. I could wear this tonight actually. Tonight is my friend Brian's birthday. So we're gonna do that before we jump on a plane to New York. So I could wear this tonight. It's kind of cute. It's kind of like whatever. I could wear it with, look at these new sneakers I got. And you guys, I'm so crazy looking right now. I could wear these new tennis shoes that I got. They're so sick. Look at these. These are so sick. I'll link everything that I got down below. These are from Meow. This is from Mistress Rocks, or I'm sorry, Motel Rocks. Yeah, this outfit's sick. I have another top potential I want to show you guys. This top is very easy. I love the fall colors, but I feel like this would look way better with the black leather pants, but I still really like this, and I still feel like it's still super cute. I wish I was like taller. Like I feel like long models make this stuff look so much better than like little squatty old me. But I have the body chain in the center. This is kind of drabby. Okay, so this is a very trendy dress, but it's such a vibe because look at the back, all like an open back, and I could just wear like, honestly, some nude clear heels with this. Yeah, this is really cool. This is from Motel Rocks as well. They're not paying me and they didn't send these to me for free. I literally bought this shit. So this is this. It's just super cool. So I'm gonna bring this. It's so comfortable as well. Like even though it's not like hugging my body like crazy. Should I bring this? I think this is cool. You can see my body chains in the back. Bubble butt, bubble, bubble. Okay, so this is for sure going in my suitcase because it's comfortable, it's easy. Okay, this is quite definitely the most comfortable thing I've put on out of all these things. Obviously the other things were like tight night outfits, but this is so comfortable. This is from Super Down from Revolve. Look at how freaking, this is so effing cute and great for daytime. I can literally throw on this baseball hat, look at, literally throw on. However, when you move, your boobs can like fly out. So that's one thing where it's like, just literally, excuse me, sir. Yes, this is so cool, this outfit. Just literally on the go. During the day, I know it's a little wild. It's a little wild, but I kind of like it. I look a little, do I look cheap? I'm gonna bring it just in case. Listen, it's New York Fashion Week. People are probably wearing the craziest shit. So you know what? Also, have you guys noticed I lost a little bit of weight? Getting my abs back. I worked out really hard this week, like so hard. Okay, this is going in my suitcase. I got this. I've been liking to wear slip dresses as dresses because I'm a whore. Just kidding. I just like slip dresses. This was expensive and I'm bored. Like I'm bored in this. Like literally, it's cute, but I need it to be like, this is giving French maid vibes. I'm bored. Not going. Okay, I know it's a lot. It's a lot. I'm someone's daughter. It's a lot. Okay, I get it. But this is one of my night out looks. And by night out looks, I mean, I'm going to a Met Gala after party on Monday. And obviously at the Met, everyone is wearing everything. Or nothing at all, maybe. And you know, I just was like, this is really cute. It's got a slit. I can be a little sexual in this, and I'm just gonna have to tape it so I don't slip. But like, what do we think? I have another dress option I want to show you guys, but this one is this is really cute, and it's like kind of see-through. It's cute, right? If I tape it, and I can even tape my boobs, which I've never done before. So I like this. Probably just wear normal black tie-up heels with this. So it's cute. I'll show you the other dress. The other dress is like insane. It's literally like my dream dress. So you guys are probably gonna like that better, but I feel like J-Lo in this. You know that Versace dress she wore? I know I'm nowhere near that. But like, hold on. It's giving me a little bit of it. Okay, so this is another daytime outfit. Super cute. It's from Motel Rocks. They're all sold out of it, but I think you can get on a waiting list, so if I find the link, I'll still put it. But it's a cute little daytime outfit just to throw on with my like New Balance sneakers. These guys, super cute. I'm loving green. As you can tell, I literally have a full-blown green outfit, green and blue, green. And I think this is super cute for, I'm not gonna wear it this low. I would definitely do this. Super cute for daytime. Yay. Okay, so this is definitely more of a nighttime dress. I have nude underwear I can wear with this that'll be completely neutral. So like right now I'm wearing lace, you can kind of see it, but I have the perfect underwear for this. So these Set Active underwear sit perfectly underneath a dress like this. So you have no lines, and I just like how it hugs your body, and it's just such a nice, simple dress. The color's like okay, but it was the only one that was left and I really wanted to try this dress out. So yeah, the dress. I like it. Do you like it? I could wear like a jacket with it. Maybe I'll bring like a cute jacket. What if I did a jean jacket with, I could do the jean jacket with these snakeskin heels. It kind of goes, kind of doesn't. Ties up my leg. This is kind of a vibe. I like this. Yeah, no, this is like really sick. Hell yeah, fuck yeah. I don't know how much of my body I can show, but this is me, underwear, and I'm feeling really good about my body. Like I said, I've been working out so hard, so healthy, but it's more so, you guys, I promise, it is more so I literally have had no alcohol in like 2 weeks. So alcohol literally is the death of my body. Death of my body, my voice, and my skin. My skin is still recovering. My skin's still recovering from my breakout that I had when I was like drinking a lot. So I feel really good. I'm literally so happy with myself. Okay, another just really quick, simple outfit. This is from Sammy Miro Vintage, and I got it from Revolve. It's literally so sick and so comfortable, and it's just so easy with like a pair of boots. Like, it's a little short, but I love this. I'm bringing this. It's like simple New York vibes. Should I bring this actually? Is it too simple? I could wear some really sick black lingerie under it. Yeah. Okay, so this is extremely risky, but I die for this. I like being very sexual and looking sexual and feeling sexual, even though I'm still quite innocent. But that's to be told in other stories and other videos. What looks better? Clear pink or clear clear? Pink pink, clear. This is literally rye. I don't wear makeup when I'm trying out stuff. This one's pretty easy. This one's just like a really tight leather dress. Yeah, I got this off of Revolve, but it's by a brand. It's an off Revolve brand. It's called Out. What is going on? It's called Out Intimates, and I feel like with tie-up heels, again, super sexy. This is a little bit more conservative than the other things you guys have been seeing, but yeah. Okay, so now I have this onesie, one piece from Aritzia, and I just feel like this alone with tie-up heels could be really cool and like a shit ton of jewelry. Or is it too Miami? Like, is a onesie just too like stupid? I feel like this is cool. What if I did? This is kind of cute. I vibe with this. Okay, I'm taking this. Okay. Ooh, we're getting somewhere. So for a more casual outfit, when it's really hot out and I just need to run some errands, grab a coffee, whatever, these vintage shorts I got from Melrose Place, or the Melrose Flea Market. And then this tank top is Joa Brown. It's so comfortable and cute. And then, cause I love band tees, I'm gonna bring this Metallica t-shirt to wear with the shorts. And then I'm gonna bring this as like a nightgown. This really long Boys Lie t-shirt. I'll link these below if I can find them. This band tee's from Urban, and then the Boys Lie is from Revolve. I love Boys Lie, they're one of the best brands. I'm also gonna bring this Hollister like little bra tank top. Gonna bring this white long sleeve, maybe to even wear with these shorts. This tank top vibes. Should I bring this? Now I just feel like I'm just throwing shit in my bag. I don't know. Okay, so I keep envisioning myself wearing this outfit in New York. So cute. I got this from Aritzia, but I feel like it's gonna be too hot there. So I'm like kind of debating if I should even bring this. Maybe I'll bring the pants and just wear like a really sick top, or bring both and then just mix and match them. You know, just bring both and mix and match. But it's so cute. Look at this color. This color is beautiful. And then the leggings are super cute too and comfy. But this jacket is so sick. This is from Revolve. These are from, I think, Forever 21 from years ago. And I love the cutouts on this. I'd probably just wear all my gold jewelry. This is a sick outfit. Definitely bringing this. And then I'd probably do these nude, hold on, nude heels. Yay. Okay, so I look naked. I'm wearing my leather pants and this Ariana my top and all of my body chains. I'm going to Brian's birthday party. I'm going to my friend Brian's birthday party, so I'm dressed in all black because that's the dress code. Honestly, I shouldn't be wearing this, but I don't give a shit anymore about anything, and you shouldn't either. Okay, I want to look at my pimple. Wow. I want to show you guys the final product. Okay, so here we are. I'm so proud of this. I've got my huge platform heels, strappy tie-up heels, clear heels, one pair of tennis shoes because that's just for during the day, chill. And then I have my slides over there that I'm gonna wear on the plane. And then in here, I'm so proud of this situation right now. This is all of my dresses and two-piece going out sets. This is socks, underwear, and bras in this situation. These are daytime dresses, outfits, and look. And then these are coats. So this is like the blazer, coat, random shorts, pajamas here, cardigan there. So kind of just like outerwear spread throughout. And then here I have my makeup, Dyson, the best thing in the world. All of my skincare, my body care, my hair care. Yeah, I'm high maintenance. Hair dye, I'm gonna dye my hair in New York because I didn't have time tonight. My makeup brushes, I'm gonna see if I can wash them tonight before I get on the plane. So that's that. Then I'm just gonna bring my one little bag for going out because I'm gonna bring the backpack over there. So gonna bring that, probably bring my little Prada one too. And then I'm bringing some sunglasses. So I have these are by, let me show you, this brand, wait. It's called Flat List. Why is my screen like, are you foggy, sir? And then in here, I'm bringing these new Prada ones that I just got. They're so sick on, I love them. And then I'm bringing these, should I bring these Chanel ones? Yeah, I like these Chanel ones. They say Chanel at the top. I love these sunglasses so much. Maybe I'll throw these in my plain bag and then put these in here. So there's that. I'll put these on the accessory side, just like that. These are gonna go. So this is like kind of like on the plane. This is like all these vitamins, medicines, toothbrush, toothpaste. I have to brush my teeth throughout the flight, after the flight. I'm crazy. Little eye patch, blue light glasses, a clip. This is just my clicker for photos. Headphones with the charger, and yeah, I'm gonna like probably pack my on-flight bag in an aloe tote. So my hair looks crazy. Okay, well, I really hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little different. I've never done I've done a packing with me, but it's been so long, maybe like 2 years. And I don't know if I've actually showed you outfits while I'm putting them together and trying them on. So this was a little different for me, but I actually really liked it. Everything will be linked down below that I can find for you guys so you guys can shop and match me. And I'm going to try to vlog in New York. I'm really gonna try. I feel like sometimes I just get really caught up in the moment and really just live in the moment, but I'm gonna really try to vlog and continue to vlog so I can share everything. Also, editing has been so hard for me lately, so I love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know. And I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Good love. You know what it's gonna be. I don't care what you say, it gonna be